If you're wondering when the best time is to buy gold for your IRA, you're not alone. Timing can make all the difference in securing a solid investment, especially when it comes to gold and your retirement savings. Let me help you understand how timing works in gold investments and why it's so important for your future. Gold is often seen as a hedge against inflation, and when it comes to protecting your wealth for retirement, it can be a crucial part of your strategy. The best time to buy gold for your IRA really depends on a few key factors, including market conditions, your current financial situation, and your retirement goals. But first, before we dive into that, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are already using gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and you can get a free guide to see how you can take advantage of this opportunity too. Now, let's talk about timing. Gold tends to perform well in times of economic uncertainty. When markets are volatile or when there's inflationary pressure, gold has historically been a safe haven. But what does this mean for you as an American retiree? The ideal time to buy gold for your IRA is when the market is down. That's when you can get the best prices, and that's when your investment will have the most room to grow. In fact, this is a strategy used by many seasoned investors. They buy when others are selling or when the price of gold is temporarily lower. This allows them to lock in a better price before it potentially rises again. But here's a secret. Buying gold when the economy is in trouble isn't the only time to consider it. If you're someone who's already well into retirement or getting close to it, you may want to act sooner rather than later. The earlier you diversify your savings with a gold IRA, the more time it has to grow and protect your wealth for the long haul. Let's compare this to other types of investments. Traditional stocks and bonds can be volatile, and they might not give you the protection you're looking for during a downturn. While the stock market has its place, especially for those still many years from retirement, gold IRAs stand out because they hold their value during times when stocks might be crashing. For retirees who have a large IRA or 401k, the stability of gold can be a game changer. If you've been following market trends, you know that gold tends to perform better when inflation rates are high or when the dollar is weakening. And as an American retiree, you want to make sure your wealth isn't eroded by these factors. Gold offers that protection. It's a tangible asset that doesn't rely on the performance of the stock market or government policies. But let's be real. It's not always about waiting for the perfect moment. The best time to buy gold for your IRA is now, if you have a substantial amount saved up. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, then you'll want to take action quickly. When you see your retirement savings grow with gold as a stable foundation, you'll feel much more confident about your future. That being said, if you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, now is the perfect time to get started. The sooner you begin, the sooner you can lock in those potential gains. If you're ready to take the next step in securing your wealth, I encourage you to click the link in the description below to get your free guide on how to protect your savings with gold IRAs. It's packed with everything you need to know to get started, and it's completely free for those who qualify. As you think about your retirement, remember that the best time to buy gold for your IRA is the moment you decide to start. So don't wait for the market to tell you when. It's your decision, and you're in control of securing your financial future.